thankful that we're all healthy and able to spend the day together. May the Lord continue to guide us all and surround us with his love, health, and safety. May he continue to watch over and keep us safe. For those who are not able to be here with us today, wishing everyone a blessed holiday and New Year. Kenisa.
So,
Merry Christmas, Kishmonson. Ini very good dan marami pecekul.
Wat? Nurna liter fayu. Mamahu. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Dia tu berapa? Do you have anything to say or money to share with everyone? How much you get to cost? Where's Mars? Mars. Merry Christmas. Love you all. Christmas.
Guess where I am? Guess where I am?
Cici.
Just want to say Merry Christmas. Thankful for the rest of the year. Be together tonight.
Say it.
And I love you all.
Thank you, Cici. Celine.
I just want to say Merry Christmas. I'm thankful that we're all able to come here today. I hope even though not all of us are able to come, just grateful that we're able to get together. Also, especially thank the Lord since it's almost his birthday. That's it, I love you guys.
Okay, thank you, Celine. Alright, now first thing over, you guys hold the camera and point it to
I just want to say Merry Christmas.
I like your short too. Show the short too, please.
I want to give thanks to God for protecting us from the beginning of this year and until now. I pray that He'll continue to protect all of us in this upcoming year and guide us. I love you all. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you, Russell.
I just want to say I'm thankful for each and every one of you guys that are here. I thank the Lord for letting us come together today. And I love you guys. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Russell. Okay. Who's next? You. Today's a special day because
I just want to say Merry Christmas. I love you guys. That's it.
Thank you, Thelma. Thank you, Kamara. You don't want to say about that other celebration?
Merry Christmas. I'm just thankful to God to be here and for Him watching over us and everything He's done in my life. That's it.
Merry Christmas. Okay, I don't know why Austin ran away.
Yeah, Ronald, keep
Okay,
it to him.
Grace Carter.
Uh,
Go first.
I want to say Merry Christmas, and I'm thankful that all of us are able to come here and spend time together, and that's it.
Thank you, first. Where is Austin?
Thank you.
Austin. Austin, where's Carter?
Carter, come here. You want to say something? Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, Austin, where's Jenny's? Jenny's next.
Merry Christmas. I love you guys. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Austin. Jenny's? You want to say something? Oh, Christy, where's Christy?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, Christy. Good, Jenny's.
Janice.
Jimmy, you want to say anything? Please subscribe.
Yhdessä pari jormet nga papasa pat atsak pat Merry Christmas ngiri kits merisit. Krisoveri kot pagits mi pat mara torin nor rari kerak. Irachak met nga butori para pasa Krisovo nachke irmi panon nav ne firach pat ngiri kits merisit. Merisit cha norach fabri patori ni beruch mer fabri. Okay, so irachak met nga butori para pasa.
So what's your role? Ja. Krisov jabur, eriver mever, met me pat masat asir, ekis nori. Bro. Si pare pari mo pur. Saj. Boleh, можно решить быстро.
Hello there. Carter, you okay? Is he sick? Yeah. Ooh. Hello there. Thank you. Thank you. What do you got? What's this? Mushroom? Mushroom it is. Your own vlog? Yes, you can do your own vlog. Prime ribs. Well, what's this? What's this? Who made it? Who made this?
That?
Huh?
That? Yeah.
Short ribs? Okay.
Oh no, now it's following me. I was following Celine's on you.
Stop. Come take it back. Take it back. Take it back now.
A little too crowded.
Do you want this pizza?
Two. Hi, Jermaine. Wait, I need to get my rice. Ooh, look at that. Jenny, how about the room? My goodness, I cannot eat those things. Check. That's out. Yeah. Can I get some? Huh? This one? Oh, maybe I'll have a little bit of this. Hey! Can I get some of the...
Yeah,
what?
you want me to put it in that cup?
Put on my rice. Nice to see you. A little bit more. Yeah. That's good. Thank you. Oops, oops. Boom. All right. Mars, I need to go. I need to go.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
Oops. Damn.
I'm right here. I'm getting your food.
You don't like rice?
Hey, get up.
Beres, sauer. Maar we zitten niet meer hoe kwijko, zo. Jezus, ik heb hier jalapeno dan.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas to everyone watching. Right now we're eating. It's Christmas Eve, and I also want to give thanks to God for bringing all these people to my house, for protecting us throughout this whole year since the beginning. Pray that we have a great 2025. Wish nothing but blessings to everyone watching. Stay tuned because later on we'll be opening presents, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.
What you have for me? Let's see. Oh wow, what does it say? Subscribe to what? Huh? Come on, I want to see it. Subscribe to M3E. Okay. All right. Okay, who's gonna call? Who's gonna call the gifts? Is everyone ready? All right, we're gonna give the kids the chance to call their gifts, presents. Yep.
Yeah, oh, kita vamos para September.
Come so you guys can start calling the gifts, the presents. Mars, who's calling the presents? Who's calling the gifts?
Come on this side.
All right.
We're gonna do all of
All right, Janice, everybody sit down so you guys can come get your stuff when your name is called. All right. Jermaine and Carter are ready.
Tell them to shift there.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's shift your attention to the center of gravity.
Hey, Jermaine, are you excited to crack?
Are you excited?
Merry Christmas to Auntie Cara from Santa.
Yay.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Jenna from Santa.
Yes. Auntie Janet, okay.
Merry Christmas to Celine from M3E.
Oh, Celine from M3E.
Merry Christmas to Christy from M3E.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Santa.
Oh, Janice. It's gonna start to pile up.
Merry Christmas to Celine from M3E.
Celine. Okay, just remember that. Oh, for who? Carter? Okay.
Merry Christmas to Doreen from M3E.
Doreen. Huh?
Merry Christmas to Jermaine from
Jermaine. Okay.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Jenna from Santa.
Oh my God! Yeah, do a good job.
Yeah, do a good job, man, or you'll be fired.
Because he is upset we didn't take him for fighting. I don't know.
Hey, Donny Cage. Merry Christmas to Uncle Nash from Santa.
Hey.
Why did you say Johnny Cage? Merry Christmas to
Celine, that was yours.
from Santa.
From M3E. From who? Oh, for who? For me? Oh, thank you. Okay, I'm special.
Are you ready to see that other one?
Merry Christmas to Auntie Lily from Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Jenna from Santa.
Okay, I don't think that's right that you have a lot.
Merry Christmas to Marlson from Santa.
Marlson. Ooh.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to Celine from Sissy.
Celine.
Merry Christmas to Sissy from Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Chet from Santa.
Ooh.
Man, where's the energy?
Merry Christmas to Kamara from Santa.
Kamara. Ooh.
Merry Christmas to Velma from Sissy.
Look at that Nike. Another one?
Are you nice?
Merry Christmas to Janice from Sissy and Kamara. Janice.
Oh, where's Janice?
This is
Janice.
from Sissy and Kamara.
Oh.
Merry Christmas to Jermaine from Santa.
Wow, Jermaine.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Enter from Santa.
Oh, thank you.
Merry Christmas again to Jermaine from
Jermaine.
Santa.
You have so many.
Merry Christmas to Elston from Santa.
Oh, thank you, Santa.
You've been on the good.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Santa.
Another one for Janice. Come on, Janice.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Ricky from Santa.
Oh, thank you, Santa. Oh, I'm so special. Oh, look at that.
Merry Christmas to Sissy from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Mama from Santa.
Oh, thank you. Give it to Auntie Aribui.
Merry Christmas to...
Actually, give it to me so I can put it in the room. Janice, wala na room.
Merry Christmas to Mars from Santa. Where's Mars?
Merry Christmas to Auntie Arpui from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Willie from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Janice from M3E.
Again?
Merry Christmas to Mars from Mom. Hey, Mom got you right away.
Merry Christmas to Marlson from Janice.
Oh.
Where's my stuff?
Merry Christmas to Willie Enter from Mars.
Oh, where's Willanta? Is he working tonight?
Yeah. He'll be here tomorrow.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Nash from Kamara and Carter.
Merry Christmas to Kamar from Santa.
Oh, Kamara. There you go, Kamara.
Thank you.
From Santa.
Janice. Oh, Janice.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Santa.
Oh, boy. You're getting all the presents, Janice.
Dear Uncle Muti, running late, we'll see you on Friday. Santa, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Oh, what? Running late? I want it now. Okay. Running late. Okay.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Enter from M3E.
That's a team effect.
Hurry up, because I want to open my presents.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Santa.
Again? Again, Janice?
Merry Christmas to Jermaine from Santa.
Wow, Jermaine.
Only I think 4.
I think you're getting all the presents.
Oh, see, only 4.
I'm 4 years old.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Willie from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Mars from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Marls from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Nash from Santa.
Oh, boy.
I know. Oh, Merry Christmas to Willie Enter from M3E.
Merry Christmas to Carter from Santa.
Oh, look at that.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Nash from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Answer from Santa.
Okay. Ooh.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Muti from Santa.
Again? Okay. Thank you.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Nash from Santa.
Hey.
Merry
Got some
Christmas
more.
to Uncle Sendo from Santa.
Ooh.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Chen from Santa.
Uncle Chet from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Elston from Santa.
Oh, that's too bulky, man. That's too bulky.
Merry Christmas to Falma from Santa.
Another one. Okay, okay.
Merry Christmas to Marcin from Santa.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Nicolas from Santa.
Oh, Uncle Nibarits. Okay. Okay, give it to Uncle Nibarits.
Merry Christmas to Jermaine from Santa. Merry Christmas to Jermaine from Santa.
Oh boy.
No, it's more than 4.
Merry Christmas to Jermaine from Santa.
Why you have a lot, man?
Merry Christmas to Carter from Santa. Merry Christmas to Rawson from Santa. Merry Christmas to LaVarson from Santa.
All right. Okay. We're starting. Okay.
Merry Christmas to Elston from Dad.
Oh. Thank you, Austin.
Put it over there so they can put their. Is it? Not that yours? What? Oh, it's for Santa Janet.
Merry Christmas to Celine from Santa. Merry Christmas to Uncle Nash from M3E.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Wow, that's good, huh?
Merry Christmas to Velma from M3E. Merry Christmas to Morals from Mom and Dad. Thank you. Merry Christmas to Celine from Santa.
Oh.
Merry Christmas to Kamara from Santa.
Oh. All right, Kamara.
Merry Christmas to Rosemary from Santa.
All right. Let's go, Sissy.
Merry Christmas to Velma from Santa.
Velma. Woo-hoo.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Sendo from M3E.
Oh.
Thank you. What? Please subscribe. Merry Christmas to Auntie Lily from Santa.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Auntie Lily.
Thank you,
Oh, Janice.
That's probably mine because I have it. It's such a star. It's a star. Kid.
Where?
Nobody cares. There.
There's a yeah.
Merry Christmas to Rawson from M3E.
Give me one.
Merry Christmas to Elston from Mom and Dad.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Lutching from Santa.
Oh. Give it to Celine. Celine, it's for your mom, not for you, okay?
Merry Christmas to Auntie Jenny from Santa.
I feel like you have more than me.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Santa.
Wow, Janice is getting all the gifts.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Cara from Santa.
Hey.
Merry Christmas to Wendy Lutching from M3E.
For Auntie Latrin.
Merry Christmas to Mars from Dad. Merry Christmas to Janice from M3E.
Wow, Janice.
Merry Christmas to Doreen from Santa.
Oh, Dorian. Oh, where's Dorian? Oh, she's not here? Oh, that means you're getting all the gifts? Okay.
Jermaine from Uncle Muti.
Thank you, Danny.
Woo-hoo.
Merry Christmas to Christy from Santa.
Oh, now it's for Christy. Okay. Now it's for you.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Chen from M3E. Merry Christmas to Uncle Tim from Janice.
For who? Oh, for Uncle Chet from Chinese. What? Wow, you bought your own. Okay.
Merry Christmas to Jermaine from Auntie Lily.
Thank you.
Ooh.
It's just baby Jermaine.
Merry Christmas to Willie Answer from Santa.
Ooh.
Merry Christmas to Sissy from M3E.
Please subscribe.
Ano po? Ano di? Oh my gosh.
Merry Christmas to Mars
That's
from M3E.
Merry Christmas to Kamara from M3E.
Ooh.
Wow. I think they got their paycheck, man.
Oh, he just ripped right where it was.
Merry Christmas to Mama from Santa.
Oh, thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
Actually, ripped
Merry
it
Christmas to Morrison
on
from
accident.
Santa.
Oh, woohoo.
Actually, ripped it on accident.
Oh, an accident? Okay.
Merry Christmas to LaVarson from Santa.
Oh, look at you, man.
Santa.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Sendo from Santa.
Oh,
Thank you, Santa. Hope to see you last day.
Merry Christmas to Mars from Mom and Dad.
oh. Okay, call it, Elston.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Willie from M3E.
Okay. To Uncle Willie.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Enter from Santa.
What? Whoa! Whoa! Oh boy!
Subscribe.
You can call yours too.
Mars, that icebox for your bedroom.
A new one?
It's on the side.
Why stop?
Merry Christmas to Morrison from Mom and Dad.
Hey! Here, I get it. Yeah, buddy. Okay, you can call yours.
Santa.
Wait, that's 5.
For who?
Uncle Tim.
Not
Oh, Uncle Chen. Oh, not for me. Okay, for Uncle Chen. Opening.
Christmas to Auntie Arabui from Santa.
Oh! Whoa! I thought that was mine. I was hoping that was mine. Huh? Okay, just call yours.
One last gift.
Huh?
over there, because
Merry Christmas to my mom from us three, me, Mars, and Elston.
Oh! That's all we can afford.
That's special.
All right.
What do you want?
That's it.
Prom?
Merry Christmas to Auntie Arabui.
Thank you!
Whoa!
Wow, I didn't see this in the garage.
Merry Christmas to my mom from Mars.
All right. Bear with us right now. We're gonna watch the kids open up their presents. Yes. There's nothing more enjoyable to watch than just, watch the little kids opening up their presents. Ah! Ugh. All right. I know. Jermaine, we're going to watch Jermaine open his presents. Okay. It's going to be a little crowded down here.
Where's all yours?
All right. Okay, we're going to see everyone's presents. Oh!
Wow! Go on that side, Janice.
Mom, you like the flowers?
Yeah, thank you, Janice. Who picked the orange one?
Never mind.
Oh, okay. I got a headset. I got it.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, okay. I want to see how you guys open your presents. Make space. Come on, give you guys some room. What you got? What you got? Okay, okay. Oh, Nike, Nike. Okay. Open the cold one. Who's that from? Jermaine? Janice? All right, let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. What? Janice? Okay, okay.
Let me see.
Okay. Okay. What is that?
What is this?
Okay.
Do I gotta open it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's that popsicle.
Wait, where's 3?
Yeah, it said open it.
Open it.
Okay.
There's something in there. There's something in there.
Oh, that's your dirty socks? Okay.
Something in there. Something in there. There's something in there.
What do you mean? In here?
Where did you get it? She said there's something in there.
Mars, give me the sock.
Please, I think.
Come on, come on, come on.
Bro, because don't even.
Oh, your AirPods. Okay.
That's why I've been looking for them. This girl, bro.
Oh, wow. Look at you, Jermaine. Okay, what you got, Elston? Show me what you got. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Huh? Wow. Oh, let me see your jacket. See? You like that? See, that's the one I got you. And then your white shirt. Ooh. All right. Good job. What, Jermaine? Ooh. Wow. Wow, Jermaine, your shoes? Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay. What's that? What you got? What you got? What you got? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What you got? What? The Apple Watch? Ooh. Yeah, wow. Huh? What, Janice? Let me see. Stand up. Oh, that's your style, right? What else to do?
Yes.
That's nice. Okay, you, Janice. Marissa, do you like that? Your pants? Yeah? I told you, you're gonna go crazy with that. Celine, you like your watch? Huh? Happy birthday. Belated birthday.
Oh, yes, we're gonna keep this. Yes.
Mars, what about you? Huh? Lagi sa Basugyom. Open yours. Bring it here. Bring it down here. It fits? Oh yeah, it fits you. Turn around. Yeah, it fits you. Okay. Good job. Oh, let's see. What you got? What you got? Oh, I like that. I like that. Who bought you that? Mommy? Better. Här är det. Här är det. We had a cover at North Face. That's mine. You know it's automatic mine. Okay, what you got? Okay. Axe. All right. Okay. Okay, let's see. You better like your gifts, okay? You better like your gifts. Said you better like your gifts. Epic. Hester, put it on this one. I want to see. That's for you. Let me see. Put it on. Oh, you got socks? Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Put it on. Let's see. Let's see if it fits. X large. Put it on. Let me see. Austin, I want to see you put on your thing from Uncle Chen. The thing. Yeah.
Morris, I know you wanna.
What?
I know you wanna save this.
Okay, put it on. What's that?
Are they my size?
Yeah?
Are they my size?
Nike?
Wow, Chase, you got one too?
Wow, let me borrow. Let me see.
Are these my size?
What? Another Nike? Woohoo! Let's put it on. Let me see. Oh, what? You have another Nike just like Elston's? Wow. Ooh, good fit. That's good.
You guys can wear your...
What size you order from that jacket? I want to see. Oh, I like that, LaFarson. Ooh, ooh. Is it too big? Oh no, that's good size. Is it? That's good size, right? Huh? Let me see, Elston. What? That's from Uncle Chen and Auntie Chen.
Thank you.
Why do I feel like you're just copying that guy? Now he's not happy because he's not alone on his style. Wow, you like your presents? Okay. That's good. What else do you have? What else do you have? Why do you open it so slow? Yeah. Okay. Marcel wants to share.
You wear it in the house. Those were
Oh.
Mars, I get black. Mars.
That's good. All right.
You just got these already.
Oh, you got your nut, mommy bought you one? Oh, why you guys just copy Agutchen? Huh?
This from you? This from you guys? Thank you.
Size fit eh? Size you What, Marosen? What? What's the problem? Huh? Huh? Oh, that looks good. Okay, that looks good on you. No? Why you keep looking at Bronson? Why you keep looking at Bronson? Huh?
Don't care with it. In my face. Whole time.
He what?
Hey, can you turn that way?
Thank you. Be grateful for what you have. Just be happy.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. More blessings to all of you, and thanks for watching.
Merry Christmas to everybody out there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas to everyone. Wish nothing but blessings to everyone watching. You guys be safe. Love y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas. And happy holidays.
All right, Merry Christmas. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you, and hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and see you next year. Peace out.